Hello students, welcome back to the maths class. So in the last lecture we understood what are factors and what are multiples. Today we are going to move further with HCF. What is HCF students? HCF means highest common factor. So let us understand HCF by two methods. So HCF means highest common factor. Now we can find HCF with two methods, prime factorization method and long division method. So first we are going to understand by prime factorization method. Prime factorization method we have already understood in the last video. So first we will find the prime factors of the given number. Here let us start with the easiest sum. We have to find the HCF of 20 and 30. So these two numbers we are having. First we will find the prime factors of these two numbers. So let us find prime factors of 20 first. So for prime factors we know that we are going to start with the smallest prime number. So 2 is the smallest prime number. So 2 tens are 20. Then 2 fives are 10 and 5 ones are 5. So which factors we got of 20? That is 2 into 2 into 5. These factors we got. Similarly, we will find the factors of 30. So it is 2 15s are, then 3 5s are and 5 1s are. So for 30, we got 2 into 3 into 5. Now we have to find HCF. HCF means highest common factor. So first we will find the common factor. Which are the common factors in this both? So if you will see 2 is common and 5 is common. So we will multiply this common factors 2 into 5. So what we got? We got 10. So the highest common factor is 10 of 20 and 30. Understood? Understand long division method. It is very easy. You just have to follow few steps to find HCF with the help of this method. So here let us start with the easiest one, 20 and 30. With prime factorization method we did the same sum here. You can see we find the factors of 20, we find the factors of 30 and then the common factors was our HCF. So here same way here how we are going to do long division method. For long division method we have to divide the smaller number by the greater number. So 30 divide by 20. So 20 ones are 20 and 10 is the remainder. Now the next step, this 2 you have to do, means 20 divided by 10 you have to do. So 20 divide by 10. So 2s are 20. Now your remainder is 0. So the last this divisor which what you have divided, this is your HCF. It's very easy. Let us do one more sum so that it will be more clear to you. Let us say 15 and 45. So here 45 is the greater number, we will divide it with 15. So 15 threes are 45, 0 is remainder. So which is the divisor? 15. So here your HCF is 15. Let us have more sums. Let us have three numbers, that is 60, 80 and 100. Now in this, if there are three numbers, then what you are going to do? So we will start with the any two numbers. So we will start with these two numbers. Here we know 60 is smaller than 80. So 80 divided by 60. So 60 ones are 60 and 20 is your remainder. Now this is your pair. So you will divide 60 by 20. So 60 divided by 20. So 3s are 60. 0 is your remainder. So which is the last divisor you got here? You got 20. Now this 20 and this 100, two numbers you will divide again. Third number, see whatever HCF you got of these two numbers, with the same numbers you will try it with third number. So 100 divided by 20. So 25s are 100. So which is your divisor? 20. So your HCF is 20. Clear? So what is LCM? The full form of LCM is least common multiple, or you can say lowest common multiple. Here what you are going to do, you are going to find the multiples, and out of the multiples which is the smallest multiple, that will be your LCM. So LCM can be found by two methods, prime factorization method and long division method. Prime factorization method, in this method you are going to find the prime factors. For HCF, how you are finding the prime factors, or even we have understood prime factorization method. In prime factorization we used to find the factors which are prime. So first we are going to find the prime factors, and then what we are going to do, that I will explain you with this example. Let us take one example. We have to find the LCM of 20 and 30. So this is the example. We are starting with the easiest example. Now the LCM of 20 and 30 we are supposed to find here. So first what you are going to do, you will find the prime factors of 20. So how you find the prime factors? Like this you are going to find. So 2 tens are, 2 fives are, and 5 ones are. So these are your prime factors of 20. Similarly you will find the prime factors of 30. 2 15s are, 3 5s are, and 5 ones are. So which all factors you got? You got factors like this. For 20 you got 2 into 2 into 5. For 30 you got 2 into 3 into 5. Now LCM, how you are going to find? Here is the formula to find LCM with prime factorization method. The product of common factors multiply the product of not common factors. So first of all, which are the common factors in this? Common factors are 2 and 5. So the product of common factors is 2 into 5. Multiply product of non-common factors. Which are non-common factors here? 2 and 3. So 2 multiply 3. So if you will multiply this, you will get 10 into 6. So your answer is 60. So your LCM is 60. Clear? I am repeating it. See, here you have to take care that when you are finding the product of common factors, means you are going to take it one time only here. 2 and 5 are common, so you will take it one time. 2 and 3 are uncommon, so that you are going to take. So this way you will find the LCM with prime factorization method. Another method is long division method. So long division method, same sum we are going to do 20 and 30. Now here long division method, you are going to take both the numbers together. And how you are finding the prime factors, same way you will do. So let us start with 2. 2 tens are and 2 15s are. Both numbers we will divide it with 2. So 2 tens are 20, 2 15s are 30. Again you will go with 2. So 2 5s are 10. Now 15 we know it is not coming in 2's table. So we will keep 15 as it is. we will take it as it is. Now 5 and 15 is there, we will take number 3. So in 5's table 3 will not come. Then 15, if you will divide with 3, you will get 5. So 3 5s are 15. Now here 5 you got, 5 1s are 5 and 5 1s are 5. So both become 1. So now if you will multiply these numbers, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, you can make pairs of 2 numbers. So 2 2s are 4 and 3 5s are 15. So 4 15s are 60. So here you got 60 as your LCM. So you can see here also that with this method also you got 60 and with this method also you got. So now in exercise 3.2 you can solve this question 1 and 2 with any of the methods which I have explained in this video. Bye bye. Have a nice day.